Now, the Accra High Court hearing the criminal case against Minority Leader and former Deputy Finance Minister Ato Forson is set to deliver 4 separate rulings today. That's the Thursday, 6th of June 2024. This follows numerous applications filed by the first accused persons and the third accused, Richard JAKPA. The application are now an order of inquiry into the conduct of the Attorney General following the allegations made by Richard JAKPA, to the effect that the AG has been calling him at odd hours in order to for him to go on a mistrial with the aim of terminating the case. Now, a stay of proceedings until the application is determined and a motion asking the court to strike out charges against the businessman. Let's cross over to the High Court where Jeffrey Atipo is on standby to give us some more updates. Jeffrey, thank you for your time. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Annie.
Right. So tell us, we're told 4 separate rulings are going to be given by the court today. Confirm it and let's know where we've gotten to now.
Okay, thank you very much, Andy. So yes, indeed, 4 cases are going to be determined today. But let me first of all say that all the people who matter in this particular case, I'm talking about the Minority Leader in Parliament and also the former Deputy Finance Minister, Dr. Ato Forson, is currently in court together with his lawyers. I've also seen Richard JAKPA, the third accused person in this particular case. They are all in court. I'm here to see the Attorney General around, but the case is supposed to start at 12 o'clock, so we are just waiting to see the Attorney General arriving at the court to be part of the proceeding. A while ago, we've also seen the judge who is sitting on this particular case, Justice Ifia Sewa, just passed by, heading to the courtroom as we speak. But yes, as you indicated, these 4 cases are going to be heard today. But the first of all this has to do with an application to the judge or to the court the other day by the third accused person, Richard JAKPA, requesting the court to excuse him from the case. This was after he tendered an audio before the court, which the court failed to play, because according to the judge, she has already have her own, she has heard about the tape or have listened to the tape herself, so there's no need for this particular tape to be played in court any longer. So this is the first of the cases that is going to be, the judge is going to be giving ruling on today. And then as to whether all the 4 are going to be considered, I cannot tell right now, but what I know right now is that the plea by the third accused person, Richard JAKPA, for him to be excused from the case is what is on the table right now as we speak.
So, is the court actually waiting for the AG before it sets the ball rolling in the hearing, or it's just going to start with or without the AG?
And it is 12, it's a little past 12 now. We are not in the courtroom as we speak. We are outside the courtroom having this conversation. But as to whether the AG has passed any other way to enter the courtroom, we are not aware. But those that we have seen a while ago were those that I mentioned, including the third accused person and the Minority Leader, Dr. Ato Forson. So as to whether they will be waiting for the Attorney General to come in for the case to start, we can't tell unless we get in there. So from here we'll get in there and see whether proceedings have begun. But the case is supposed to start at 12.
Right, Jeffrey Atipo, we're grateful. So just stick with the courts and then come through with the subsequent reports and all the outcome that will happen. And we'll be giving you all the details as Jeffrey Atipo is stationed in the court.